Science Interactive's award-winning lab kits enable you to take your science lab online easily and effectively. Shipped right to your student's doorstep, our kits combine physical materials with rigorous curriculum. Each kit is customized to align with the lessons you have selected. No matter what lessons you choose, all of our A&P kits feature lab-grade materials. When approaching the A&P discipline, our goal is to replicate a tactile laboratory experience while keeping students safe. That's why our anatomy and physiology kits include formalin-free dissection specimens, a large human skeleton model, prepared slides, and more. When performing dissections, students receive a full 9-piece dissection kit and pad for safe cutting and pinning of their specimen. If your program doesn't require physical dissections, we also offer a suite of virtual dissections and simulations. In lessons such as the skeletal system and the muscular system, students receive this fully articulated skeleton model. The model helps students see various bone structures with increased definition and serves as a modeling base to help them conceptualize the muscular and nervous systems. In place of a cost-prohibitive muscle model, we provide students with clay to create and show muscle groups in the body. Our anatomy and physiology discipline was written to encompass a range of degree program requirements. We can provide compound light microscopes with prepared histology slides, or students can use our virtual microscope to achieve the same outcomes. From rigorous experiments to kit logistics like material sourcing and shipping, Science Interactive provides a complete online science lab solution, meaning you can focus on what matters most, teaching the scientists of tomorrow, no matter where they are today.